Let's start in Florida, the land of sunshine, beaches, and zero state income tax. For $300,000 in Tampa or Orlando, you can find a 3-bedroom home, a modern kitchen, and even a small backyard pool. But head toward Miami or Naples, and your dollar shrinks fast. Now you're looking at a small condo or fixer-upper miles from the coast. Florida's value shines inland, affordable, tax-friendly, and warm year-round. But coastal luxury, that's a premium you'll pay dearly for. Then there's Texas, where your $300,000 stretches the furthest. In Houston, San Antonio, or Dallas-Fort Worth, that money can buy a spacious 4-bedroom home, a garage, and a big backyard. Property taxes are higher, sure, but with no state income tax and booming job markets, the trade-off works in your favor. Texas is the space king, ideal for families, investors, and anyone who wants more house for less money. Finally, California, the dream, the lifestyle, the prestige. But at $300,000, reality hits hard. In Los Angeles, San Diego, or San Francisco, $300,000 might get you a tiny studio condo, or just a parking space. Head inland to Fresno or Bakersfield, and you'll find modest 2-bedroom starter homes, but taxes and living costs remain steep. California delivers beauty and culture, but your dollar doesn't stretch. You're paying for the dream, not the square footage. So let's settle it. Florida, sunshine, tax perks, and good inland value. Texas, big homes, strong economy, unbeatable affordability. California, prestige and weather at a steep cost. If you want space and savings, Texas wins. If you want lifestyle and leisure, Florida shines. And if you want status and scenery, California is your dream, but at a premium price. So, where would you buy your $300,000 home? Drop your answer in the comments and tell us which lifestyle you choose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart real estate breakdowns. Because understanding what your money really buys is the first step to building your future.